There are modern stadiums. There are smart stadiums. And then, there is a legend. The Estadio Azteca is the only stadium in history to host two FIFA World Cup finals. And in 2026, it will make history again. But this isn't just a football story. This is a story about engineering at extreme altitude, building on seismic ground, and transforming a concrete giant into an AI-powered smart stadium. Located in Mexico City, the stadium opened in 1966. At the time, it wasn't futuristic. It was monumental. Built almost entirely from reinforced concrete, the design focused on scale, durability, and visibility. Nearly 90,000 spectators. An elliptical bowl engineered for perfect sightlines. Massive structural ribs supporting multi-tier seating. This wasn't lightweight steel architecture. This was brute force structural engineering. And it worked. Here's what makes it even more extreme. The stadium sits at 7,350 feet above sea level. That's higher than most NFL cities. At this altitude, oxygen levels drop. Athletic performance changes. Concrete curing behaves differently. Construction logistics become more complex. Engineering at high altitude requires material adaptation, climate consideration, and long-term durability planning. Azteca wasn't just built big, it was built high. Now consider this. Mexico City sits on ancient lakebed soil, soft, unstable, and highly sensitive to earthquakes. That means the Estadio Azteca had to be engineered to survive seismic activity. Deep foundation systems anchor the structure. Reinforced concrete ribs distribute loads across the bowl. The design allows controlled flexibility during ground movement. Over decades of earthquakes, the structure has endured. For the FIFA World Cup 2026, additional reinforcements are being integrated to meet modern seismic standards. This isn't just renovation, it's structural evolution. The stadium hosted the 1970 World Cup final, the 1986 World Cup final, both organized by FIFA. Pelé lifted the trophy here. Maradona changed football history here. And in 2026, Azteca will become the first stadium ever to host 3 World Cups. No other stadium in the world can say that. This isn't just sports history, it's global cultural infrastructure. But 1966 engineering alone isn't enough for 2026. The stadium is now integrating smart systems, including high-density Wi-Fi networks, AI-powered surveillance systems, digital access control, energy-efficient LED lighting, modernized broadcast infrastructure. Artificial intelligence plays a silent role, monitoring crowd flow in real time, enhancing security analytics, optimizing entry and exit logistics, improving operational efficiency. The challenge? Embedding digital intelligence inside a 60-year-old concrete megastructure. It's not about replacing history, it's about upgrading it. A stadium does not operate alone. It operates inside a megacity. Mexico City is one of the largest metropolitan areas in the world. Hosting a World Cup here means managing massive public transportation networks, international tourism at scale, altitude-adjusted athletes, citywide security coordination. This becomes urban systems engineering, not just stadium design. The Estadio Azteca represents 3 eras of stadium development. 1960s, monumental reinforced concrete construction. 1980s, structural adaptation for global events. 2020s, artificial intelligence and smart infrastructure. Most stadiums are either historic or high-tech. Azteca is both. And in 2026, the world won't just watch football here. It will witness the evolution of a living engineering monument.